In our videos, you have come across two kind of clips. The first one, and the second one.
পাহাড়ের আলাদাই বিউটি আছে, যে যাই বলুক, সমুদ্র টমুদ্র বলে, ও মাই গড, জাস্ট লুক at it. কোনটা বাংলা ঝোড়া? ওয়াও, মানে ভিউটা দুর্দান্ত রে।
In these two clips, you could find a starking difference. That is, in one of the clip, the audio was captured properly in the GoPro, and in another one, it didn't. So in order to take care of the first clip that you have seen, we do a voiceover. How we do it? Let's take a look. It often happens that we come across some very beautiful sceneries when we are on our ride, but when we share our feelings, you are unable to hear. The reason being is that we speak while we are riding, and because of the wind noise, our voice does not get recorded properly in the GoPro. So we come back home, and while we are assembling the video, we do a voiceover. So this is the kind of setup that we use for our voiceover. It is always not possible to do a voiceover. So how do we take care of it? Today we'll go through few of the components that we can use along with the GoPro and attach it to our chin mount when we go to our ride. So stick till the end of the video where I'll reveal all the prices of the components of our motovlogging setup. So now we'll head to a different location to test out the components. Follow us.
And now we'll do the mic test and also see how good the setup is. So let's ride. So now the helmet visor is open so that we will be able to understand that how much noise cancellation is done. When we move on a high speed, we'll close the visor and then we'll do a separate test. The helmet visor is closed, and we'll move in the high speed and see how good the recording is. The helmet does feel a bit heavy. Maybe on the long trip we can understand the difference, but right now the helmet is moving a bit down, but it is still okay. Doing two takes. In the first one, we'll keep the helmet visor open so the wind can flow inside, and we will be able to know how the noise cancellation works. And second, we'll be doing the take with the visor closed, in which we'll be able to understand if the mic picks up the silencer pipe sound. So here we go for the first one. So at this speed, the bike noise I hopefully will be covered properly, but I don't know if my voice will be heard properly or not. So that goes the first take. Now we'll return back and we'll take the second take. Now we'll take the second take, in which the helmet visor is closed, and we'll see if the bike's engine sound is heard clearly or not. So here we go. So that was the second take. So with this two take, I think hopefully we'll be able to properly analyze how well the Sony's mic work.
There is a considerable difference in the video clip as well, because now we have placed the GoPro in upside down position and we have fixed that angle as recommended by my friend who goes by the name of Einstein, and he is also the one who has shot the cinematic shots. So I'll leave a link of his channel in the description below. Do check it. We are going to now reveal the components and their prices. First we have Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, Sony ECM LV1 stereo mic. To attach the setup to our helmet, we have Telesin chin mount. Last but not the least, we have Ulanzi G94 plastic cage. This is the total cost that we have invested in our setup to bring you better quality videos.